Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family. The Lexi, thanks so much, Marita, and supporters. Love you guys. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So get excited because today's video we're going to be unboxing the Drunk Elephant trunk, and this year the trunk is huge. So Drunk Elephant, every year around the holidays they create the trunk that's like a, last year we had a little carry-on, a year before two, and I think a year before that we had a mini fridge, and this year we have this amazing cooler here, very beautiful. I'm gonna put the info about who make the cooler down in the description of this video because I have to investigate a little bit, but we're going to unbox this beauty here, so get excited. This actually is a cooler. If you're going to the beach, you can take your stuff and everything stay cooler. So I'm gonna pop this beauty open so we can see what comes in here. It comes stuffed with goodies from Drunk Elephant, so get excited. Now we can open this box here and I'm gonna tell you guys everything that comes in here. So you get one B-Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum, which is amazing. Product number one, B-Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum. Product number two, you got my favorite C-Firma Fresh Daily Serum. This is a vitamin C serum, which is amazing, that have 15% of ascorbic acid and ferulic acid. Love these. Product number two, and the product number three, we have this A-Gloei. Product number three, we have the A-Gloei Maretinol oil. This is for clear and smooth skin. It's an oil with retinol rich, which is amazing. Have 0.5% of retinol and ceramides. Fabulous. Product number three. Product number four, love this. This is the T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Acid Night Serum. I love this. Product number three. Product number four, you got this is the Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. She's called Slay. Let me show you guys. That's what she look like. That's a mini, I believe. This is the makeup removing Slay. And product number six, you got this F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial. I love this. This is great for deep hydration. It's definitely one of my favorite from Drunk Elephant, and these have vitamin F and microbeads sodium PCA. Great product. Product number seven is the Beste number 9 Jelly Cleanser. Love this product, definitely one of my favorite. Product number 9, I think this is the T.L.C. Sukari Babyfacial. I love this. This leave your skin, it looks amazing. It's a great facial. And then I think this is product 10, number 10, and this is the Protini Polypeptide Moisturizer, and I love this product so much. You get one Wonderwild Miracle Butter Remedy Marula oil. This is a great healing mask, and these also have a Marula butter. Got this little C-Tango multivitamin eye cream. I love this product. I do own this. And then you got a bunch of samples here that you can give to your friends, and they can love Drunk Elephant as much as you do, and they can try before they buy it. This is the Micellar water, and this is the Protini Powerpeptide Resurfacing Serum. This is the Virgin Marula oil, luxury oil, right? And all this product was come in the trunk. Show you guys a little bit, don't mind my mess. That's all the product. Okay, we have a little bit more there. Okay, there. Alright, so this was all that comes in the trunk. I hope you guys like this unboxing, and we do going to be using this product on skincare video coming up for you guys now. I have like a winter skincare morning skincare video and winter night skincare video that's coming up for you guys. Updated skincare video for the winter with new product. We're going to be trying all these beautiful products. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant, for sending me them for review. I love you guys, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm gonna have the link for on the description of this video. Have the info if you guys wanna purchase. So just click somewhere here and get it, because they are amazing and definitely worth the money.